737 Yankee Echo at Aero Ventures ramp, information Zulu, looking to stay in the pattern and do touch and goes.
737 Yankee Echo going ground, taxi via Tango Echo Yankee, runway 25.
737 Yankee Echo, taxi Tango Echo Yankee, runway 25, thank you. Live. Green on the gauges, 40, a little bit of back pressure. Gotta keep it on center line. 50, a little windy. 60, and rotate. Look down the runway, work to keep it on center line. Looking for about 75 knots for climb.
Okay.
How was ground to take off, in your opinion, for me, since it's a new instructor?
That was pretty good.
Okay.
That was pretty good. Solid.
All right, so if we're staying in the pattern and climbing out, what altitude and when should I be looking to make that left turn?
Alright, so we turn crosswind 300 below TPA.
Okay.
So TPA at this airport is 2,100.
Yep.
So we're going to turn at 1,800, right?
5404,
Cool.
we're going to tower, delay on departure, Cessna, correction, Archer traffic, 3 mile final. Runway 25 clear for takeoff, turn right north.
Runway 25 clear for takeoff, right north, 55404.
Crossing 1600. We'll do a little bit of a climbing turn then, correct?
Yes, sir. So it's going to turn, and we're still going to go climbing. We'll start by climbing until we hit 2,100, okay?
Copy that. Alright. The 300 below.
Good, and we want to bank more than at least 30 degrees.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Cool. There you go. So we want to make those turns like kind of square.
Right. You know, we want to make a nice rectangle.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Alright, so
There you
now,
go. So now we look, we level.
we're at 2100, so I want to level off.
Alright, so reduce power to 2100. Now let's start turning that to downwind and maintain that altitude to 2100. So let's reduce power to 2100
Oh,
RPM.
yeah, sorry.
There you go. Very good, holding altitude. Power is good. Alright, so here I like to maintain my altitude and make sure that I'm on a good distance between the runway and the plane, right?
Right.
So what I like to do, I like to put the runway cutting this piece of equipment right here.
So cut through the middle?
Yeah.
So we're close right now.
Yes, sir. So,
Alright, so do you want to do one from here? And
we'll do it together.
Okay. Yeah, no worries.
So we're 21. So right now we can do gums. So let's do gums.
Bring the power down just a little bit. We're still climbing a little bit. There we go.
All right, so
yep. All right. So fuel on both. Gears down, fixed.
okay.
We have our seatbelt, seats, everything is locked, and mixture is on full.
Cool.
And that should be it for that. We're kind of drifting back over.
All right.
The wind.
Let's maintain altitude. And tower 737 Yankee Echo BM25.
So 7 Yankee Echo, runway 25, you're clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go 257 Yankee Echo.
There's 381 Delta, turn
reduce
left
power
Echo,
to
taxi to Park
1600.
Whiskey, monogram, point
16.
8.
Yep.
Under the Echo,
And
Whiskey,
carpet on.
to ground, monitor ground, point 8,
Cool.
381 Delta.
First nozzle flaps.
Degrees.
Yeah.
Feel those coming on.
And you see the balloon? So we want to
Yeah.
pitch down slightly.
Yep.
There you go. So I want to maintain here about 80. So let's pitch down.
Right,
Build
too
that
slow,
airspeed,
yeah.
right? So about here, you see the runways
Yeah,
like
we're at beam
between.
45, so we
there
wanna
you go.
start
Nice. Very good.
And we're descending now because you set up by.
Yeah. But watch that airspeed. So I want to pitch down.
Yep.
All right. If you want to maintain altitude, we just add power, right?
Yep.
Because that's the slow flight, right?
Yep.
There you go. Perfect. So about here, I'm looking something between 70 and 80. If you keep it at 75, good to me.
Gwinnett Tower, Archer 795 Alpha is holding
Right, so then 45 degrees, we would
our departure.
about now. Going to turn back in.
795 Alpha, Gwinnett Tower, Roger, hold short, runway 25, landing traffic.
And reduce.
Landing traffic.
Okay.
7932, clear
Down
Alpha.
to 16.
Alright.
Holding 75. Alright, so white, so we are high.
Alright, so let's reduce some power.
A little more power out.
Yeah. Also, we can go ahead and add another flap.
And it is going to
Watch the balloon.
Yep, we don't want the balloon.
Just pitch down. Alright. There you go. Take some power out.
Say it again.
We need to take some power out.
Oh yeah, so we need to get white and red, so we're going to lose some power.
Well, remember, that's if we're landing at 1,000 footers.
Yep.
Alright. So I want you to pick an aiming point. So what's your aiming point?
I'm going to go for the first, sorry, the big rectangle.
Alright, so add some power. See, we're descending now.
Yep.
There you go. So watch that airspeed. Very good. Looking good. So here, there you go. Still want that nose going down. So about here, runway's made. Power idle.
Idle, yeah, runway.
Alright, so we're going to transition to the ground effect right here. Now we're just holding the level. Hold it, hold it, hold it. See, now we're going down. Just pitch up, pitch up, pitch up, pitch up. Very good. There you go.
There we go.
Very good. Yeah, you see that?
Okay, so touch and
Alright,
go.
so carpet off.
Carpet off.
Flaps up.
Flaps all the way up.
Full power. Maintain center line.
40. 50.
Just rotate.
60 and rotate.
How was that?
That wasn't too bad.
There you go. You did pretty good, man. Awesome.
Yeah, we came in, obviously we're a little high, and then I think I pulled out too much power, so then we dropped to basically on the numbers.
Course northeast,
But
runway
it's
25,
fine because you managed the power pretty good. You noticed that we're starting to descend. You sink really fast, right? So you added power
And then we
stop the descent.
Right.
And then we went back right to glide slope, right?
Yes.
So that's perfect. That's what I want to see.
Okay. Gwinnett Tower, Skyhawk 737, Yankee Echo, a beam, the numbers 25.
November 518 Romeo, Gwinnett Tower, you up?
At this point, he didn't
November 7
clear.
Yankee Echo, departing traffic ahead of your arrival, runway 25 to touch and go.
737, Yankee Echo, cleared, touch and go. So we'll go ahead and add 10 degrees.
So for this power. Alright.
Putting 18 Romeo, ready to go on 25.
Carpet on.
518 Romeo, Gwinnett Tower, turn left heading 180, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Go ahead and turn in.
Take off, left turn, 18 Romeo.
This is where about 80, correct?
Tower 93 Alpha, can we change our departure to straight north?
93 Alpha, wait, what is your call sign? Because you said 95 Alpha first.
I apologize, it is 79 Alpha.
Alright, so I've cut this
93
one
Alpha.
a little closer.
Yeah.
Thank you, 39 Alpha.
So we maintain that descent, right?
Oh, yes,
So
sorry.
let's go out another flap. There you go.
We gotta maintain the descent.
Cool.
Alright, so now we're passing through 1800.
Very good.
And 1, 2, 3, 17. When we pass through 17, we'll go ahead and turn it in. Gotta go down.
Alright, so let's pull some power out. Or to high, right?
Go down to 15.
Remember, 18 Romeo, turn left heading 180, contact Atlanta departure, have a safe flight.
I will put power to idle.
180, going to departure today.
Power idle.
Idle now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've never done that before, but okay. Oh, because we're high.
Yeah, this thing is gonna float. Also, if you don't like the approach, what else we can do?
Oh, we don't like it. We can remove power and add power.
Final, or base call.
Well, we can go around, right?
25
Yes.
clear the
Alright,
land.
we can go around. But we can make this one. So there you go, holding 60. Nose down. There you go. About here, we're gonna enter the transition. There you go, pretty good. Now hold the level. Very good.
Ooh, a little hard.
There you go. So right there, you just need to pitch up a little bit. Just protect that nose. So let's go.
Our beat off.
Maintain the center line.
For 18 Romeo, Gwinnett Tower, you up?
Rotate.
18 Romeo.
18 Romeo, that was a left 180.
Going to 180 right now, 180.
180 and 3000, contact Atlanta departure.
180.
He's in trouble.
Yeah.
18 Romeo.
perfect. I mean, I think you're getting the hardest part of landing. It's just transitioning to that ground effect, just holding level. Then we feel the plane dropping, right?
Yeah.
At that point, as soon as we're getting close to the runway, we start pitching up gentle. So we touch down the mains first.
I think I pulled like a little bit too much, and then we had more of a drop, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, do you want to do one and let me ghost it?
Yeah,
Your controls?
Yeah, my controls.
And I just want to feel...
Cool. Alright, so here we just maintain the 75, right? A little bit, 1 to 2.
Yeah.
So we're pushing 1800.
Sir?
100.
This is 10, 20, 30, so you're right at 30 degree bank now, correct? Yep.
Look outside, make sure you're perpendicular, which I am. I just give it like 4 or 5 seconds.
Yep.
Start turning, still climbing.
There was a little bit of wind.
Yeah, just a little bit. 21, just stop that climb. Start taking out that power. Then the Cessna, man, as soon as you start adding power, it's just gonna go up.
Yep. It's one of those, mentally I haven't been that far back, so it's kind of like, oh, I want to make sure I make it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, so start reducing a little bit of power. Still aiming for those numbers, right?
Gwinnett Tower, Cessna 73924 is clear.
So now we're starting to sink a little bit, so now it's like just a little bit of power.
The FBO on the north ramp, I'm not sure what the name is.
It's windy.
Taxi straight ahead for Gwinnett Arrow.
There you go.
Taxi straight ahead for Gwinnett Arrow,
Push down,
73924.
power idle. There you go, that transition. Don't pull up too fast. There you go, nice.
Ooh, too much. That one felt pretty good. 60. And rotate.
Very good, yep.
That one felt the best.
Yeah, that was good.